Welcome to Module 6, Introduction to ZEPETO Studio, one of the most powerful tools available to creators on the platform. Hello everybody, it's me, Granny Gems. ZEPETO Studio is where you can create worlds, clothing, accessories, animation, poses, and interactive experiences that players can explore or purchase. In this lesson, you'll learn what ZEPETO Studio is and how it works, the different creator tools inside Studio, how to start creating worlds and items, the basic workflow for publishing content, how creators earn from Studio, best practices for new designers, and the safety rules you must follow. Whether you want to build beautiful environments, design wearable items, or begin your journey as a shop creator, Studio is where your creativity becomes visible to millions of ZEPETO users. ZEPETO Studio is the official creation platform for building 3D worlds, clothing and accessories, hairstyles, face and makeup, emotes and poses, object interactions, scripted behavior using ZEPETO tools. Studio allows creators to upload assets, customize items, design environments, and publish them directly into the ZEPETO ecosystem. Every world or item you see in the Shop or Explorer tab was made by creators using ZEPETO Studio or the Unity SDK. ZEPETO Studio consists of two main creation systems, Web Studio and ZEPETO Studio. Web Studio. This is browser-based and used for clothing and accessory uploads, face items, hairstyles, shop item previews, thumbnail creation, and basic publishing tools. Web Studio is ideal for creators focused on fashion, cosmetics, and simple items. ZEPETO Studio. This is the advanced creation tool for world building, interactive environments, game mechanics, custom scripts, object interactions, camera control, and special effects. Unity gives you complete creative freedom, allowing you to build entire maps, mini-games, and interactive experiences. Studio offers multiple categories of creation. Each has its own workflow. A. Clothing items. Creators can design tops, pants, dresses, jackets, shoes, and complete sets. This must follow ZEPETO's size, texture, and quality rules. B. Accessories includes hats, crowns, bags, wings, jewelry, glasses, and props. C. Hairstyles and face items. Advanced creators can design hair meshes, makeup, eyelashes, eyebrows, and face textures. D. Poses and emotes, custom animations that players can unlock and use in photos or videos. E. 3D worlds, full environments and games such as parks, nightclubs, malls, schools, mini-games, mazes, quest-based worlds, role-play maps. F. Interactive objects, chairs, doors, collectibles, portals, vehicles, and more. Studio allows you to express creativity through multiple formats, all within one platform. Most new creators begin with clothing because it requires no coding. Here is the typical workflow. Step 1. Choose a template. Download the 3D mannequin and clothing templates from ZEPETO Studio. Step 2. Design your item. Use programs such as Blender, Maya, Marvelous Designer, Procreate, Photoshop, Substance Painter. Design the shape, texture, and colors. Step 3. Upload to Web Studio. Upload mesh and text files, adjust fit settings, and add physics if needed. Step 4. Create a thumbnail. Thumbnails are essential for sales. Use clear lighting, clean poses, consistent branding. Step 5. Publish. Submit your items for review. Approval usually takes 1 to 3 days. Creating worlds is more advanced but extremely rewarding. Step 1. Install Unity and ZEPETO Studio SDK. Unity version compatibility is important. Install the exact version listed on ZEPETO's official download page. Step 2. Import assets. You can use your own 3D models, purchase assets, free Unity assets, and custom textures and animations. Step 3. Build your environment. Place floors, walls, structures, props, scenery, lighting, and skyboxes. Step 4. Add interactions. Use the SDK to add things like portals, chairs, buttons, collectibles, score systems, spawn points, and NPCs. Step 5. Test your world. Preview inside Unity or a local test client to ensure smooth performance. Step 6. Publish to ZEPETO. Upload the world package, create a description, and publish your environment. Unity gives you the power to create anything from minigames to full social spaces. Creators can earn in multiple ways. Shop sales, earn when users buy your clothing or items. ZEPETO World Rewards, some worlds receive payouts based on engagement. Brand collaborations, companies often work with successful creators for paid Partnerships. Creator challenges. ZEPETO sometimes hosts events and contests with rewards. External monetization. Creators often use YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to show off their studio work and gain sponsors. Studio creation can develop into a full income stream as your skills grow. To succeed in studio, follow these guidelines. Start with simple items, learn a 3D program, maintain consistent quality, study successful creators, use good thumbnails, keep file size low, test everything, follow all safety and copyright rules. New studio creators often struggle with uploading oversized textures, missing UV maps, low-quality thumbnails, worlds with poor lighting, items that clip through the avatar, publishing unfinished work, ignoring creator guidelines. Avoiding these mistakes will drastically improve your approval rate and creator reputation. You now have a complete introduction to ZEPETO Studio and a clear understanding of what you can create, how to start building, and how to grow as a studio creator. In the next module, we'll dive deeper into specific workflows so you can begin making your first item or world. Studio is where creativity comes to life, and this is your first step into becoming a professional ZEPETO creator.